Hello, welcome to week number 22 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge 2024. We have again some nice prompts. I found a photo that is covering the first two, a border or a frame, and something found in the library with the books around the door frame of these large wooden doors. And as the next prompt, a bug or an insect, I have this praying mantis. And then for a newspaper article, I have this cutout with the ad against rodents and bugs and things like that. Stitching I can do later. And here I have prepared some acrylic paint to do some splattering at the end. For the ones of you that saw my last week's collage, you might remember that I struggled so much with the right tool for the fussy cutting. So this time I made sure that I'm using straight from the beginning the craft knife to get the little bits and pieces cut out from this praying mantis, because there are so many small details, these thin legs, and on the top, these little, I don't even know the word for these little things. Yes, I definitely need the craft knife to cut it out all carefully. But wait a second, I don't need to cut out the entire praying mantis because I only need a small part of it for my postcard. And so I can actually save myself some time and cut this printout in half so that I only have to cut out half of it. Yeah, I think that's fine, that's fitting. And with that, of course, I only have half of the cutting to do. And as I am really a beginner with this, it takes me ages. So I just cut the little segment out of my video so that you don't have to sit and wait for me while I'm cutting through it. I thought I would like my collage to be a little bit, it looks a little bit creepy, like as if the praying mantis is coming out of the library door, as if it is huge actually. And for that, I am cutting alongside the door here and cut away the floor so that I can push the praying mantis through, and so it looks as if it is coming through the door. Did something similar already in the last collage, but yeah, I really enjoy this. I think it gives it some interest. Yeah. This antenna on the top is a little bit thick. Maybe I cut with my scissors a little bit of the squareness away. Yes, I like that more. And I think I will replace the floor of the library on the bottom with the newspaper article. Here, so you can see a little bit of the advertising in the bottom that I tear away here, where they advertise like a bug killing spray or something like that. And I thought it was a nice little quirky detail to the collage. Yeah. And here I decided, because the door is open, so it's on an angle, where I would like the door slightly going over. That's why I made the little cut in there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I think I like that. That looks nice. I think I can start gluing down carefully, making sure that everything stays in place. With that, I'm starting off with gluing these small pieces on the side so that I carefully attach it. With this one I find it a little bit tricky because I only have these tiny small overlap areas, and I have to be very precise because of the postcard size underneath, otherwise I'm coming too short. But it works out nicely. I have this normal craft glue with that I filled into this bottle, and the bottle has this very fine nozzle, so I can do this very fine gluing the little bits and pieces. That works nicely actually. Yeah, and another little piece here, and the head. Yeah, I think yes, and the antenna, of course, because it goes into the mail. It will be a postcard for my mom again. I really need to make sure that everything is glued down perfectly, because otherwise when it goes through the mail it comes off, and yeah, that would be a pity if she just have half of the collage left when it is arriving in Germany. Okay, yeah, good. That looks nice. Yeah. And here I have my tool that I don't even know where I have it from. I think is the leftover of, yeah, I don't know actually. It is as if you use a credit card or a knife edge, or to just press the paper down safely or securely onto your base. Okay. Here I did some stitching, a mixture out of cross stitching and straight stitching, and we'll do some splattering now. I used just ordinary acrylic paint in green and watered it down with some water in here. I'm just trying if it actually makes nice splatters, and yeah, it does, so I feel confident enough to try it on my postcard now. I'm not sure that you can actually see in the video the splatters. I will show you in a second. Maybe you can. When I'm done, I will bring it a little bit closer here. Can you see? There on the bottom are my splatters, green splatters that match the praying mantis. Okay, we are coming to an end now, and yes, the frame, the library, the bug, the praying mantis, the newspaper article, the stitching, and the paint splatters. Okay, I hope you enjoyed yourself, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the follow-up collages week by week. Press the notification bell so that you will be informed, and yeah, bye for now, and I wish you a wonderful day.